Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a magnetic wireless charger. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular, you can see how it does support 20 watts when you guys do use it, and the max capacity that's on here is 10,000 mAh. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first, the inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, and then right underneath that, you can see we do have the product. And right here, they do provide guys a USB-C to USB-C cable that is used to charge the product. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's take it out to show you guys what it looks like and show you guys what's underneath it. So right underneath the product, we do have a little warranty card, and they provide guys some stickers that you can stick on if you guys do want to. But if you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here, you can see it does mention that it is 20 watts. And if you guys turn on the other side right here, on this side right here is where you can do the MagSafe wireless charging option or the wireless charging option as well. So when you guys do feel it, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. And on the side right here, you can see we do have the brand name. And then right here in the bottom, you can see we do have the power button for you to turn it on and turn it off. Here we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's working or not, and show you guys the battery percentage that's on here. And then right here in the middle is where you can plug in cable to recharge it. And if you can see for the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in the white as well. So depending if you guys want white or black, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I should test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, you can see it is charging. So right now the battery is completely dead. So you do need to charge it first before you start using it. But let's just try to put a phone on here to see what actually works while it's charging the product. So if you guys do stick it on, you can see it does work. So you definitely have the option to use it while it's connected. And see the magnet that's on here is pretty strong. So we'll hold it in place when you guys do use it. But let's try to unplug the cable and try again to see when actually it works wireless. So if you guys do stick it on, you can see it does work. And if you guys notice how it does have the MagSafe logo pop on, so that means it charges much faster than what you guys saw earlier when you guys do plug it in. So really cool how she has that feature. Because when you guys use anything similar to this one, like the Anchor one, it doesn't have the MagSafe logo, so it won't charge as fast compared to what you guys see right here. So really cool how it does allow you guys to use it wired and wireless. And for the pod, it's so compact and very minimal, so that way if you guys want to bring it along when you guys are traveling, you definitely have the option available. And then for the USB-C option, if you guys want to use it as an output, you definitely have the option available as well. So that way if you guys want to plug in like a USB-C cable to lightning cable to recharge like iPhone or something, you do have the option available. Let me test it out to show you guys what I mean. So if you guys do plug it in, and other side will plug it onto a phone, you can see it does work. So really cool how she gave you guys the option to use the wired option, or you can use the wireless option to recharge the phone, which is really convenient. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality power bank that basically allow you guys to use a MagSafe wireless charging option, and also give you guys a USB-C option to recharge any of your other device, maybe like an iPhone or any other USB-C device. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.